assembly will be under a scanner.
we will cross the bridge when it comes. Okay.
They will be on the scanner. They will be under the scanner. Assembly will be a scanner of ECB.
We will look into the rules and regulations and codal conduct, and there is an issue. We have a book. We will see it.
Sir, any issue as far as those resolution issues which were going on, any applications or voters or anything which are on the same?
I mean, all of you are aware that there are petitions filed in our court, and all of them are dismissed except for one, which there was no interim relief for us given. So we are going ahead and conducting the elections.
Thank you.
That is there. There is still administration regarding precautionary measures for COVID-19 period. That is there. Okay, that is already existing.
So can they roam around like that?
They have to follow the rules also. No? They have to follow the COVID precautionary guidelines and also both the things they have to follow.
But your flying squad will be monitoring that.
There are flying squads and another important things.
Like sector magistrates.
Sector magistrates and flying squads are there to monitor any kind of violence or any kind of issues during the election process. But this section 144 issue, I will deliberate with the district magistrate.
Yeah, my only issue is that congregation of people.
That it is noted and we will take care.
Sir, any restriction around?
Section 144.
144 is related to the COVID matters. It is up to the district magistrate.
So the campaigning there will be no section 144.
District magistrate will be taking the call regarding the
But if there are more than 5, 6,
the candidate is allowed only with 2 more people, and we have issued to the ROs to keep an 100-meter clearances in their offices while the nomination process is on. Similarly, in the election booths also, we have ensured that COVID protocols are followed and necessary arrangements of sanitizers are made available in the polling booths. And the COVID patients will be coming in a PPE kit to cast their votes. That's all. If any questions are there,
Sir, what?
as I said, except 2nd April and 4th April being holidays, the dates the receipt of nomination commences from 31st March 2021 to 8th April 2021. The timing is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. The scrutiny of nomination will be 9th April 2021, 10 a.m. onwards. Withdrawal of candidature is 10th April, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. The list of candidates will be 10th April after 3 p.m. The date of poll for these 2 Panchayat wards by election is 23rd April 2021 from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Date of counting of votes for these elections are 26th April 8 a.m. onwards. I once again mention you that the polling timings are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. For the COVID patients will be entitled to cast their vote on the last hour of the poll, that is 4 to 5 p.m. The model code of conduct shall come into effect from this moment only in the areas under the jurisdiction of respective village panchayat wards. Commission has issued SOP guidelines for COVID-19 precautions in order to conduct the said elections. So I expect the elections to be conducted in a very smooth fashion, and COVID protocols have to be strictly followed. We have issued all relevant orders to the polling officials. We have appointed general observers and expenditure observers to oversee the election arrangements as well as the code of conduct procedures.
So, any issues are
The model code of conduct will come into effect from this moment only in the areas under the jurisdiction of respective municipal councils. Commission has issued SOP guidelines for COVID-19 precautions in order to conduct the said elections, the above elections. Now I will announce the by-election to the Ward number 2, Village Panchayat Tarapur, Saban, and Ward number 4 of Village Panchayat Veli. In this regard, Director Panchayat has issued election notification dated 28/3/21 in Form 1, notifying the date of by-election to Ward number 2 of Village Panchayat Tarapur, Saban, and Ward number 4 of Village Panchayat Veli on 23rd April. The by-election to the Ward number 2 Village Panchayat Savan and Ward number 4 of Village Panchayat Veli will be held along with the general election of municipal councils. For this, Commission adopted electoral rolls of Goa Legislative Assembly prepared under the provisions of Representative Act 1950 for the time being in force on 1st January 2021 for preparing ward-wise voter list, and same were displayed in the office of respective returning officers. The voter list are displayed in the designated places from 25/3 onwards, 2020. Now I will announce the schedule of election program for this by-election. The Commission adopted electoral rolls of Goa Legislative Assembly prepared under the provisions of Representatives of People's Act 1950 for the time being in force as on 1st January 2021, published on 15 January 2021. For preparing ward-wise voter list of these municipal councils have been already displayed at the office of the respective ROs on 18/2/2021 onwards. These electoral rolls are displayed in the office of returning officers. District collectors are appointed as the municipal council election officers. One returning officer, one assistant returning officer is appointed by SES, State Election Commission, for each of these municipal council. General observer, expenditure observers are also appointed by SCC, one for each for municipal council. The commission has recently reviewed with district magistrates and the superintendent of police and other officials regarding the preparedness of district collectors and SPs. Commission is satisfied the preparation done by these authorities. All polling booths have adequate minimum facility. Adequate police force will be deployed at government printing press during the printing of ballot papers, at polling booths during receiving and distribution of poll material, for guarding the strong room, and also during counting of votes. There are total 18 sensitive booths in Marmugava Municipal Council. For other municipal councils, there are no sensitive polling booths. Now we will announce the schedule of these 5 municipal councils. The election program for 5 municipal councils is as under. Receipt of nomination. Except on 2nd April 2021 being public holiday, and 4th April being Sunday. The date is 31st March 2021, that is Wednesday, to 8th April 2021. The timings are 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay. The scrutiny of nomination will be 9th April 2021. The timings are 10 a.m. onwards. Withdrawal of candidates is on 10th April 2021. The timing is 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. List of candidates 10th April after 3 p.m. The date of poll for 5 municipal council is 23rd April 2021, which is Friday. Timings are 8 to 5 p.m. Date of counting of votes is 26th April 2021, it is Monday, 8 a.m. onwards. I once again mentioned that poll timings are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and for COVID positive patients, it will be entitled to cast their vote in the last hour of the poll, that is from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m.